Have you ever thought why security is every nation's priority? Because it is the backbone of any nation, a foundation upon which a country's stability, prosperity, and growth are built. To ensure this security, countries hire armies to protect their borders, maintain law and order, and safeguard their citizens. Can a country's securities be measured in dollars? Let us explore with me the true cost of the protection and compare the annual military expenditure per soldiers for countries around the globe. If we see a country's total defense budget by the number of active military personnel, here's what each soldier effectively cost their nation per year. And the list goes. United States spends $674,000 per soldiers annually. The same US that ultimately withdrew from Afghanistan after the 2 decades of war. Saudi Arabia, which relies heavily upon Pakistan for its defense partnership, spends $186,000 per soldiers. On the other hand, our friend China spends $135,000 per soldier. Ukraine, currently enduring severe losses against Russia, allocates $108,000 per soldier. Russia, despite heavy expenses in war, spends $99,000 per soldier. India, recently defeated in a conflict with Pakistan, spends $57,000 per soldier. Israel spends $34,000 per soldier, whereas Iran, our immediate neighbor, allocates $25,000 per soldier. Even Bangladesh, once a part of Pakistan, spends $19,000 per soldier. And yet, Pakistan, a country that has battled terrorism for over 2 decades, challenged India and Israel, once played a pivotal role in breaking the Soviet grip in Afghanistan, spends only $16,000 per soldier annually, probably the lowest per soldier spending in the whole world, despite its significant contribution to the global security. From United Nations peacekeeping missions to counter-terrorism effects, both inside and outside of the country, Pakistan military has achieved impressive results with these limited resources.